I'm gonna go submit that paperwork real fast. Activia. You know that commercial? Activia. It's like a yoga commercial. Them say fuck it, we gotta just use the crane.
Can I sign you real or no?
Yeah, you can sign it. Is that the one I gave to you?
You got it all? No, I give you back. This one is they give you all back. That's only this you have?
Yeah, just those.
Where do you want to sign? Whatever?
Yeah, anyway. Thank you. Hey, how do I get out this?
This is too close for it. Go right there. Go over here. In front of me.
Okay, when I'm done, okay, let me grab my board. How much Mexican come from?